Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we have a very special video because I made a boo-boo, and because of that I am able to show you how to change the headlight units in the Volkswagen Golf 5 GTI. So without further ado, let's go. Welcome back, guys, to my channel. I know it's been a while, but today we have a very special video for you guys because I'm going to show you how to change the headlight units. Now there are videos online that say how to do it, but we have a couple of scoops and maybe some extra tips to help you. So without further ado, let's go. Because I made a boo-boo. I wanted to change the blinker light, and the blinker light fell into the headlight unit by accident, and I only had one, so I had to remove the headlight unit. Now the thing you have to do is because you have to remove the front bumper, and that is because under the headlight unit there is one screw and you cannot get it loose if you don't have a bridge or remove the front bumper. So first what you do is take off all these bolts, those, and this one and this one, and all of this. Now after that you can pull this front lid right off because this is kind of loose. You have two bolts in here, they're torqued right beneath here, and then when you do that you can just pull this entire front section off. Now when you've done that, you go to the side of the car. Next to the wheel you have 1, 2, 3 bolts in here. On the, yeah, I can't show you, but they're torques and they're exactly like that. Now what they don't tell you in other videos is on the downside, under the wheels, in the bottom plating, if there is any left on the Golf, because you know they tend to get used a lot, there are some screws also. Now most of them should be and are torque screws, but you never know. When this is done, you do the other side as well. Again, 3 bolts. When you have done that, the front bumper is already loose. Except in here, behind the bumper part, there's a bolt in there and in there. They're also torques. You just screw them loose and then you pull the bumper just a little bit off and a little bit down. Then you can access the screw on the other side of the headlight unit, on which you can remove the headlight unit. It's that easy, guys. But there are some things not everyone tells you. For example, the headlight unit just has electric wiring, and it is just one plug. So it's not for every light it has a plug, just one plug, okay? Now, and remember, the screws on the underside of the car, they don't all have them, but you have to keep that in mind because you won't get the bumper off if you don't unscrew those. Other than that, when you're going to make it all whole again, that is quite a different story, and I run into a couple of things I didn't really know about. So guys, if you have removed the headlight and put in a new or repaired it, it's time to reassemble it all, and that is not so difficult, but you have to keep in mind very specific things. You just put in the headlight, that is all straightforward, but when you push the bumper back, that is not as easy as it seems. What no one tells you is, on this side here and here on the inside, there are kind of like rails, and you have to push it a little back, pull it in, push it really good in, and then just slide it on. If you don't do that, the screw on this side will fit, but this bumper will have a different shape than the car, and that is not really good. Now when you have pushed the bumper back, you just screw it all together again, make all these screws good again, and that is really all there is to it. It's not as difficult, and it should take no less than, well, let's say an hour to do the complete headlight unit switch and just put it back again. But for me it took like, well, 2 to 3 hours, because I didn't know, for example, in the slides you have to slide it in, and I didn't know, so I was screwing it all up, and well, the bumper wasn't good, so I had to look and disassemble it all again and again and again, and that is why I didn't film it. But now I know that is how I show you, and well, that it really is all there is to it, guys. Now let's head down to the car wash. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. I believe I have told you everything there is to it on the front side. Yeah, next video we will do the Polo headlights, because there is nothing online from that. So, and I really hope to really show it to you guys instead of like this. But yeah, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will catch you guys the next time. See you later, guys.